Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. If you're passionate about drones and cutting-edge tech, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has been at the forefront of drone innovation, and their latest model is no exception. The Mini 5 Pro is set to continue their legacy, offering a blend of advanced features in a compact, user-friendly design. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. DJI is rumored to be focusing heavily on enhancing the camera capabilities of this model. Expect the Mini 5 Pro to feature a 4K camera with cutting-edge image stabilization technology. This new system is likely to include a larger sensor for superior image quality and better low-light performance. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to impress. With advancements in battery technology and aerodynamics, this drone is expected to offer extended flight times, potentially exceeding 35 minutes on a single charge. The design of the Mini 5 Pro is expected to strike a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Maintaining its reputation for compactness, the Mini 5 Pro will likely be lightweight and easy to transport. The new controller app interface is also anticipated to feature improved ergonomics and a more intuitive layout, enhancing the overall user experience. Pricing is always a crucial factor for potential buyers. While DJI has yet to announce the official price of the Mini 5 Pro, industry insiders suggest that it will be priced between $599 and $699. While DJI has not yet confirmed the exact release date for the Mini 5 Pro, several indicators point to a mid-2024 launch. Based on DJI's previous product release patterns and the increasing number of leaks, it's likely that the Mini 5 Pro will be officially unveiled by mid-year. Pre-orders might open shortly after the announcement, with the drone becoming available for purchase within a few weeks. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to the world of compact drones. With its advancements in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent flight modes, this drone promises to cater to a wide range of users. As we approach the release date, the excitement surrounding the Mini 5 Pro highlights DJI's continued innovation and leadership in the drone industry. Stay tuned for more updates as DJI prepares to launch what could be its most exciting mini drone yet.